welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna go over my Weird Barbie costume, my interpretation, because I did not want to do the wig, but I put a lot of time and effort. I also didn't do everything from scratch. I only did a few touches here and there, but the one thing I'm really proud of are the shoes. Such a beauty. But I will go over it. First up, let's go dive into my dress.
Okay, so this dress I bought. It was already made. The only thing I added was the neon green yellow tulle at the bottom underneath, and I got this dress on Amazon. Alright, so the next step, of course, is just painting this pink solid dress into the splatter you see. So I did print images off online to make sure it was kind of getting the same splattered paint. And honestly, if you own a house or anything, you can definitely splatter this outside. I live in an apartment, so I have to do everything renter-free. So everything I did was more controlled. And I also did this by layers because the dress is not a solid pink dress. It's like a translucent layer. So just to make sure I got everything, you can see I put paper towels behind my dress form and I just, did one color a day. I want to say this took me 3 to 5 days if I remember correctly. But again, I made this back in 2023. But just have fun with it, and really there's no wrong way to splatter this dress. Now, what kind of paint did I use for this dress? I've always been a fan since I was little of the tulip fabric paint, especially the one where you can hand draw. I have quite the collection at home. I think I only bought 2 additional colors, but you can really have fun with this. But do get a fabric friendly paint. There's different brands out there. Now I should note that actually the very first thing I did besides buy the dress is add tulle to the dress. So the Weird Barbie has like a neon trim, and so I got some neon yellow tulle and I added that first, and then after all of that I did the wonderful fun painting part. But you don't have to add the tulle. Here you can't really see it, but when wearing it you could definitely see it. So take it or leave it, but that was the little detail that I added on this dress. Alright, and that's the dress. So moving on to the shoes. The shoes were also a labor of love. That took me like a whole weekend. But in a nutshell, I bought the pair of shoes brand new and then I painted over them. I used a mix of spray paint and acrylic paint, and I will definitely go over all of this in another video, just focusing on the shoes, but look at them. Aren't they beautiful? I'm so proud of these shoes. And then the last detail is the makeup. And I want to say the makeup for Weird Barbie is probably the easiest thing you can do. I literally looked at this awesome picture of Weird Barbie and it's just 3 colors. Okay, so all you need are 3 different color of eyeliners and pink, black, and blue. Get an image of Weird Barbie and just have fun. So you're probably wondering how much did I spend on this awesome costume? So looking over just the dress part, the dress itself was roughly $20, tulle was $2, and then depending how much paint you need to buy, roughly it would cost $22.50 because I used 5 colors, but I only needed 2, so give or take. Then the boots, I did get the boots at Target, and I know I'm going to make a whole different video on this, but roughly they're around $20, they were on sale, and then the paints, and roughly for each paint. But again, I'm going to do a video on shoes, so stay tuned. Then I forgot about the accessories, but I did buy tights and I did buy socks. The socks came with 3, but depending on what kind of socks you probably get cheaper ones, but roughly $10 each. And then the makeup itself, bought 3 different color eyeliners, and then I forgot about eyelashes, but I got them at TJ, so I'm estimating $5. It could have been less. So overall, I spent almost $140. Was it worth it? I think so. Went to my friend's Halloween costume party, we had a blast, there was a contest, I won, and I got so many compliments. And do I have everything still? Of course I do. So let me know what you like and stay tuned for the shoes video.
Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and as always, I'm just Joss'n. Till next time.